In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an embed form in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, log into your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see several options, and what you want to do is click on Content. After that, go ahead and select Templates. This action will open up your saved email designs. Now, you should see a list of all your templates. Pick the one that you'd like to edit. All right, we're making progress. Next, we'll move on to inserting the HTML block. Once you're inside the email template editor, take a moment to glance at the left sidebar. This area displays various drag and drop elements that you can use in your email designs. What you're looking for now is the HTML block. Once you find it, simply drag and drop the HTML block into the exact spot in your email layout where you want your form to appear. This could be in the main body of the message, on the sidebar, or even in the footer, wherever you think it fits best. Great. Now let's embed the form code. Click directly on the newly placed HTML block in your email preview. Doing so will open its editor on the left side of your screen. In this space, you'll want to paste your custom form embed code. Remember, this code should come from the external platform or service where you created your form. Take a moment to ensure that you've copied that code correctly. Once you've pasted it into the editable text field, it's time to save your changes. Just look for that Save button, which is usually at the top right corner of the editor. After saving, I've got some exciting news. Your form will now be fully integrated into your design. When your subscribers open their emails, the form will load natively right in their inboxes. This means they can interact with it directly, making it super convenient for them. And that's it. You've successfully added an embed form in Klaviyo. This addition not only enhances your email content, but also makes it easier for subscribers to engage with you. So, as a quick recap, we logged into Klaviyo, navigated to our templates, inserted an HTML block, embedded the form code, and saved the changes. Each of these steps is important to ensure everything works seamlessly. If this process felt a little fast, don't worry. You can always pause and rewind the video to catch any details you might have missed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I'm here to help you make the most out of your email marketing experiences. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.